How to edit Hinge profile. To edit your profile on Hinge, you'll need to first open up your Hinge application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. Now, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right hand corner. To open up your profile, you'll be able to see an option which says Edit Profile on this page. Simply tap on it and you can now make the changes you want to for your profile information. Now from this page, you can make any changes you want to your profile information, such as your photos. Tap on the picture and drag it to your desired position to change the order of the picture, and so on. If you want to delete a picture from your profile, all you need to do is to click on the cross icon right above your picture, and to replace a picture with something else, tap on Replace a Photo and use your camera or other social networking sites to upload a picture for yourself. You can also go ahead and tap on the upload button and select a picture from your device's library in order to change your picture. Similarly, you can also go ahead and edit some of the written prompts, video prompts, and poll prompts, and so on. You can also change your name, gender, and other information for your profile. Once you are done with your changes, you can tap on the back button at the top left, and that is how you'll be able to edit your Hinge profile. Pretty easy, isn't it? If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.